as you can see, I dedicate today's program to Evangelist Odro. Na minim say na juma obeye no wasasi so ene de obeye ye no onim be bia okọ na okoto say obi eja so na bodwusem a eso ensuo si ye de ho. We are all going to go one day. Say ne ye bekọ no tuwa na watoto ne maye onipa bi ni wo be kire bo wasasi so na eyese onipa dasani anka wo be firi wo asasi so wo awurade mu eyepa. And I know we will meet again. The best I share you. But I will say a show. The job that the man did is not easy. Why you are boy Juman Kasa. But Africans, we don't support. We waited until the person died before we start saying, oh, I know this person, I do this, I do that. The people are looking at me from distance, but they won't come closer to let me know what I'm doing is right or wrong. But as soon as I left on this earth, then you will see how many people that will come out. Evangelist Odro na obo. He's doing a lot of things. Uncompromising preaching wasn't easy. He's one of the evangelists out here now. One cast out to say yes. Just a wabba born a Jumae. I was free. Omuna bokwanam atuwa man na ye cry to me be ya no kasa. Nanka ya ne wan si be pina. Da bi ona asofofo yi ma ye kwan hi. Big one see nanka ya cry to me be ya no kasa. But these people, they paved the way for us to be able to speak. Tis a papa nin kan ya hu bi mu a. Na ye ignorance. Na ye cry ye boni ye for. We know that we will meet again. That one I know, I'm for sure. Send out to Trubem to a dear children born. We will meet. Our New Jerusalem. But Nipaya dear, or Saye. The slow baby, I wash me. Wouldn't you acquaint to me, friend of Bussian? Miss Slopa, Boabibia, couldn't even to me, dear Henema. Papa no kono ni company bia na dwuma wo ya awrade adwuma ode agya no nti onyame nkofo ya nia na wo se support wo ti wunya konya na ultimate call family na help the woman out. Let's show some love to the man. Wabuaye, he said a lot of things. Nyekomo Niti ne mame no to ametia na me frɛ tuma so for Evangelist Odro enintia ena me frɛ tuma yenim sɛ baby an ani kyerɛ no is one day we will meet. Me pese me fa akwanya we so kyerɛ obi asɛ obi a obefa wonyankopɔn adwuma to no ho so no onye bɔne kra akatua bi wo ho one day a Christopher mu prenu dabi yewu ba kopɛ yejiri entomadan igu a yewunim ba bi a yekɔ yemu prenu nti wo ye Kristo ni a wo mra mu wo ye sempakani a wo mra mu wo ye osofo a wo mra mu sɛ wo begire awurade agire ma ye de awurade pa emfaso bi wo ho ma odachi sa me mpɛse nyina ye tiase and on the pay. I cannot hold my tears, and as you can see, my knee is up on Jenny. Tis a man, see me nipa. To me, that's what I'm here. But me, and show people say, somebody, a great person, left us. Sisia na yebe mese no sisia ba ye ko hia bi na nyame oya ade ma na ye fe oya ade ma na ye fe. We won't blame God. Onim de ye na oye ma ne ma. He knows. Me tie me birthday edru na me celebrate me dwa mo so mu a. But date of death me to me. Anything can happen. Anything can happen to you. It can happen to me anytime. Until always you have to prepare yourself before the day comes. Nyame o hira. For bi no me kan yo. Me no be din komo. Please. For obi bia o friend who Christo ni. Obi bia o gire Awurade aginam. Bra no meti Onyankopon se. Ene de won tie Awurade asem kora da. Se ono so omra no meti Awurade asem. Jesus Christ me da wase ena no pay Awurade se wa mama kwanya. Ene da yin so de me nkon ache me. Na wa mama yakwanya se me metena se ne wo mankasa. Awurade mini asem wona wo ase. On konkron be fami siw na so ne kasa fami mu ena no pay. Me so se boa me. Na ensama wo pese me ka no empie mfiri me mu emra. Di edi kwasa me ka no Awurade si kwan e ma me nkai mpo na nka pese ma mo so. On konkron tutuma na mo sisi ne kasa fami mu. Me jai akoma bi a hye wonsa fa akoma bi anom na ma nipa hu ba bi a yegina ene ba bi a yedro na ma wasam embumura nipa mu na mfa nsakraye emra wo ma akoma mu ene wo madwene mu e wo Jesus Christ Nazareth ni ni di mu na me bompai wadom no nti amen. Ona for me sama wakwa ma me me kiki na kakra ese me ni na anya pepi bi mu my glasses. Good morning. Me wakwa ba Nyami show so we know be din come pa it's ha and it is say evangelist Odru ojai hoko na onyame ye no kwafo onim de ye no ye manema we is a sign say wo se nipa bia wo ho a ubobra ni ye na dachi mfiri mu a ye nsum too much se ne wo kogem hwe ye hwe ya brabo ya nam ntutu ene bibia ye no wasase so se nipa da se ni bia nkyene bo. Yes, obia Kristo ni wiase ni oba berema akola pani obia one day we will left yen free her ya hoho ne amfrafo se de nyum tuni ni di kan no o se ya hoho ene amfrafo adagyamu ne baaye adagyamu ne sab de beko ye ba ya mfahwem amma wiase na ye firi mu koso a ye ntumi mfahwe emfiri mu nko ene ntimo ma ye hwe ya daagye eyi na bra ye wo mu no eye ebreboni etrebia ye taprichi Yesu bawo say Yesu ama one day ubewu timi busa say Yesu mai na yese wotetro bo sokora ka waba onyenruya dwene say you have a date of birth but date of death you have no idea. Say children date of birth death best you don't know. And a woman me wo nyetim wodi bi no bo so onimu date of death na wan kan kire. So what you say? Well, doctors never would date of birth pen at the brain. But date of death, they did not give it. And you want money among who they don't know. It's because they don't know. When you want to do baby and uncle do date of death, so I can home. But they did not give it to us. And no ye hintasem when you made hintai. And until there was a nipa what yes as it was ready. Because what the idea some way hintau. What the name you know hinta nipa nasani. And that will be who any that used to be bass and yamam you knew. Tisanya mean was you soon nipa. Or to me when you what to me the sun yama casim you know a sea nipa nasani. I was so soon. To be tea assassin wounds ready. And on who your mobile. Because we are hiding two great things. What do you see? Saka papa na boy amania nkabi anka ye besra arabraka Papa, wait a minute, because you know that I have a schedule. Unse 28 of whatever. Meko baby. Into my death no besha hebe hampa. Into where the papa mesro for kosha hamam. Or the seal. Ubi bonu. Eradi didn't maybe a hintai. Yes, we wouldn't maybe a hintai. Obi ninda obebanka ye bebo aboye ho se obeba no pa yendie yenimo ewia enonsu yenimo enwumra na senke anadwoa endie yenimo erade di niema bi ehintaye yesu wodi niema bi ehintaye nye ne ba nko o wode da ye bi wusu ehintaye yes wode no so sife bien moshi so daye mo fa date ni ma and it woni papa we na ma be wise me de matena se na mehu sa wotene ni beko na ode boye ni so beko ekwan ni mienu ifa na wugina obia benya dankwa yes dankwa obia ni wote asase so wonya dankwa abosomsomfo benya dankwa nkramofo benya dankwa kristofo benya dankwa ewiasefo benya dankwa but ekwan ni yetu ekwan no eyimienu obia wo baby wo spending the dankwa it is said obia fa plane free Ghana to America yenye through airport na plane ba ko no de ba obia wo baby a wo ko nso plane ba ko munye number but yes esi ya no obi esi from no obia wo baby a woko obi ko Los Angeles so what you see obi ko Ohio obi ko Chicago obi ko Milwaukee obi ko Nebraska obi ko Washington DC so what you see obia wo baby a woko but plane ba ko na di esi Inti internal life there, obia benya internal life. But baby a woko spending on and only asem. Ube baby papa so ada. Ye na sasi so heya. And as ube baby boni so ama yourself and also sasi so heya. The choice is yours. Sanity. To be not sure me tell me the day. I have no idea the day that the man will say I'm not sure enough is enough. Come home. I don't know. And no one can question God. Me bush ya penning to me jina unka say radiade. Me so fun to me jina unka say radiade ntina wo yesa. No. Obi ntina me hu obi no se me nye radi ni. No obi sa ho say unye radi ni dia wogi ni di no watumi a kire oda wudi bewu unye radi ni that's okay dia wogi ni di no bomode ya no won kire oda wudi be fra asase so no fa yes ni bi nkam so what you say ba wonye radi ni ba dia wogi ni di no wontumi musa ne se da ben na me fra asase we so we are for the castle baby will be na a Christopher baby will be who ye the sakaya. So he need not bail and menu will be any or so my inferior son. I brought so cry at your watch, then subino wa at your son of Crowin. Until David said, Mammy woman naka, the men come. Ready. Mami hu mi na mi bedie. Me cheri ama me cheri. E was asiso. Ye twam. But some people they don't know. Ye twam but nipa bi bebree they don't know. Your Bible no me call Ezekiel chapter 3 verse 16. Your Bible no call Ezekiel chapter 3 verse number 16. Ezekiel chapter 3 verse number 16. ɔse na ne nso twa mu no Awurade asɛm ba me nkyɛn sɛ onipa ba me de wo mesi Israel fie wemfo enti tie menumu asɛm ne bɔ won kɔkɔ mami se 18 no se mesi obonefo se owuo na obewuo na wammo no kɔkɔ na wankasa ankyerɛ no antwe obonefo no emfiri ne kwammɔne so na wanya nkwa ene ono obonefo no de ono obonefo no bewu na namumuyo mu de ono obonefo no bewu namumuyo mu de nenso ni mogya de mebisa no wonsam de ma de bia ye dede no na ye bomb ye babetna se mon sakra moadwen no so ahini na be wo se ye mo obonefo no kokko se wu na obewu se ya mo ne kokko awo ne mumuyo mu na wotena mumuyo mu na wo a ewu di obonefo no bewu nanso na se mame no to wa mammo obonefo kokko se wu na obewu nti no wanyane mfiri na kwambone hu nti ewu di nipa no bewu die nanso ni mogya Awurade se obebu sa firi mensam gintia na evangelist oduro mutete kema wo mutie mu de bia ne no onyame awone no sa abonefo wasase no so me kan kire me de wasi Israel fie so wemfo me de wasi wo as an evangelist me de wasi wo se me sempakani because me wani monyam too much me ntimi metena konya so kan kire nipa so wonsakra na dwe me ni monyam ni nipa sha wo be hye wontumi nyina manimu mpo ene ntimi ba be sie wo wachi na ma manifest myself inside you ma me kwan na me mfa wo mu ne ye kan kire wo bonefo ne se ewuo na wo be wuo so wemfiri na kwambone ho na se wo ammo ne kokko na wo wuo na mumuyo mu a ewuo di wo be wudie na so ma me anotoa wonsam ene mebusa sister no emoja firi nti ni ebetena na ye gedide obi to on tiase mami nti woni dwuma bi di sister nti woni dwuma bi di ababa wakama wasese duku akyekyere mboni ne mama so se ne wokɔ anadwo ha no nti woni dwuma bi di ni wo dwuma bi di pa but wonyame sese ma mo kokɔ na man kasa man kyerɛw na se wu wo mu yom wo boni mu a ewu ne de wo bewu na so wo mogya nam se ma hyɛ ma no pop na man kan kyerɛw se dwuma wo die ne kokun no onyame bi busa mogya na firi mensam na me so me mpɛsɛ onyame bi busa wo bibia mogya firi mensam ti me betena ade me kan se be wise boni a wotimu no dwane firi ho before it's too late because boni e be kum boni for 19 was nesa wubo oboniefo no kokko na wansane emfiri ne boni mu ne na kwambone no so a ono bewu na mumuyo mu na wodie wayiwo okra se me bokoko na se nipa se wo mu ntie mame no to wo ha dwen dodo na no credit too much wo kasa dodo ni we fi se bible na ka se papa me pese me ye me ntumi bone ya me mpe na me ye enti yanko an ye ti asase su ye bo apo ye di ye bokro no ye buru nwaman ye soma bosom yanko an ti wudi sasem ni yi wa no nam se ma bo kokko na wanti enti ewu ne de wo bewu nanso onyame be yi me kra minim ni asem eno na nne mete woka nipa wu frefrefrefre ba yemfa ntuye hofo every day Ghana for kwa yie but yentuye hofo every Saturday Friday night Saturday ye de funu etwa no ho hia ebom pempe su nsu nipa ensakra nadwe ayi na se na wokoto sia de da wo bi ho no woni wo bi kunu na ko yo aye wo mo chimpene mu odin nso wo mo kofunda ho nso wo ko no wo bi kunu na nam ne wure fi se se de wo ko ye nipa na wo mako na yi no wo da wa na nsegu ni bu a ye twa dwadwo no one day ono so be ko nti wonya ne firi na kwambo ne ho da bi Why you occult? Why you Illuminati? Why you Niema? Or call you Ninian and Segudu woman and Japan you paying in our Jano? Branham friend to know for and your name free occult to know or that's what him at last free to my Akotana Siniano. New refine Nipa. Say something for the intel with the fruit tour. Emma Nipa be trying to say a persia because that will be well. Nanka nipa de ya futu ama won but they don't see it all. They see say bibi na da ho keke yenko twa no nhia keke yenhia de because yi bi Saturday na me nu me hu nu say me call and I pray to God me panya me chawa Africa mu de bedu fie nyako baby obi ewu no yenhia de o baby nipa bi ewu no yenhia de eni ntinsuo to me famu fire yi na se me fa nsuo na eto no kotena me kan people lie like nobody's business ya di nyame toto ya no ya di nyame toto ya no keka ye ni manyame sompa but yenye they will tell you, you bet short to ten making kind nipa na wo no wasem. Aka send the Bible won fe niagro, nyamesom de won nye yize kura. Open nyamesom power de nyamesom na atena se. Ye wie ne asa ensa, ne ye hwie ne ye gunsa twice. E won na yiyase. Nipa yese won konya ne Bible. A Bible ni so ti ansa go. Me bo boom nam say no, I won't sit here. Because I preach against this. Me tena kwa na nkanya me na me bobum. Me pia bontin su to gidi me famu koi. I left the place. I left. All these people they go to church. All these people they go to church. Me drew a me chia me hu asofu bi na me see already. Me cruise ni bi ha. They sit down, they watch all these things. They refuse. Would they no member so? Would they find where you mogu me the tone chance? They want us to accept the sin that they were committing and rebel against Christ. You are rebellious. Me drew a year say. Guess here woman we get it da woman tree woman hye woman boduku come on nso Sunday wo kwa sore pa ho asem na ka che nso womuduku nso funu ye boduku de ni die komafunu ye tam duku de chichire ye te efunu wo ye ko to na chene kwa mammo abedidi ni mu no efunu want to be sorry mekasa if you want to be many pankwa ye de ni die man fran to my bi de wo go ko wo no aye moso bekasa high fever che ebekase aposese akam omo no ho wa ye kule wa bra no ho ase maybe makeup kura wo mo bi no yi wa papa ni makeup no chim duku ni tua no mama so setie ni eso wo kwa anodwo ha no de betina se no wa pay respect am funu ba Yesu Kristo de kan say or Bible empire and now who abofunti was the abofunti katatriso and no hey omoni asofu for no case but kufunu na say they covered their hair. I was sitting down and I was watching almost nyum bi asena yetetenyum sa tetenyum old songs ibi Christo they say gospel song old ones and I thought a good pa and also on the one be say that's fine I'm not trying to sorry jina you pay nya me din yi na ye say we no ye mugu e de frefrida we ye liar. And the funny thing is they pray first to commit the program to God. You bomb pie did you make ni na share radensa you a free bibi amane but the baby seki be see ye. ye papa so ka ye be siw ye ye mu bebiri ye keka ye ni menya me sompa including the churchgoers. Nye churchgoers ya no mo de ye the same people you go there you see them, the same people. Let me gunsa wo fie Ghana asopa asase no mene nyame egu fuhia ban so me nam nkofo aman so pe bibie yibedie yebeduru ya yetumi senya kokoduro de hwie sangu carpet so. I learned my lesson. Places like that, I won't be there. We follow them. They command us to follow some of their nonsense. And we agree with it. Including some of the pastors that knows the truth. Oko kan say we Christo need abe wo kire ho. Ai! Wo bi ti asase so ewiase bodi bone de kire ne ho. Na ma ba Christo ma me nkire me ho. Me de be ko ho me ho say. Me de be ho me ho ma abofu. And she to gidi me kotena kan femu me ne me mpaboa ne me femu say ya se mpar me se metena. Oh no way na che se me fo de omo ye no so. Your Bible no call Senkafo chapter 6 verse 3. Senkafo chapter 6 verse 3. Osisa obi wo ha na odi mfie pi na ne fie mu na doso bebre na papa ame ne kra na nso wansie no yie a mese opon ba ye senen. Oti so bi wo ha na ne fie ni munyam doso ne fie ni ma doso na wo na yensie ni yie. Bible ne se opon ba obi a ya wunyim na pon ne ho wo mfa so sensa nipa. Obi obetena sasi so and neglect Jesus Christ. Na obetena wiase asoma bosom ewuo na yensie no se Kristo ni mapa no opon ba o Bible ne se pon opon ba ne so wo mfa so sensa nipa. Wo mo bo wo ne sa nipa na wo si su ni chedwadwo because baby a wo kono nye e ho nyan e ho tan ntinka obi ewulo nka bi no mfansua de ni hu se we na awurade mpe we na de no me ba nipa so me nipa wo nyame cha ne nkwa na so ntem. So these people will bring alcohol and pour libation ashe wo nyankopon bufuo. So-called Christians will be sitting there. Pastors will have kralika, they will be sitting there. Oka come so ye Christo, mi sun we ye. Mi sun mo bro. Sauti, mi nyam nam chira yo. Wose so obi wu, mi kan biem. Senkafo chapter 6 verse 3. Wose so obi wu ha. Na odi mfie pi na ni mfie mu na doso bebre na papa amen ne kra na papa amen ne kra na nso wansie no yie a mese opoba yesene no obi yanyam na pon o yese senipa no yensi wo ye means yensi wo se Kristo ni asore na wokọ asore ngoma na odi wom but wonye Kristo ni we yase kura kire se wanwu awurade mu de course we yi na se kire se enye awurade mu na wuwu ye. There is no way na nse metia na Billy Graham wu ye man wu se abusuafo ni gunsa e Our Billy Graham, yes, because they know who he is. They know who he is. They know that he is ambassador of Christ. The obeda ne di wasasi so no. E ma nipa hu baby e wogina. Until you won't dare do that. Wase wo pon ba. Imagine. Obi a yenyam na pon no. Wase ne ho wo mfaso wase wo a. Wo ye ne yensi wo ye se Kristo ni. Nipa bi hwe ne me isa. They live their life anyhow. Obekwa ye wochena Saturday kokwa ko hu se ni nia no da ho na nka won kan wo se ya o se ya ni nyina ye bekọ no 6 feet under obi ni chamber ho ye nyina the same thing nti ma mentena se na mensese se na me wie ene de mi nua ne ko me so da be ne beduru me so e die na wo se me ye wo mabrabo mu na that me wu a ye sie me ye. No, they won't do it. They will rather be drinking alcohol. They will be drinking. When they be pema, when they be in your mufunu, and when they be no penko for you, and when they be koyaza, and when they bush your phobia. Oh, listen now, a year bow, Modia, yet the tika. And when they be no mujetri to one found. If you don't so copekum, when your friend eat to man or back, then who track a cradia, and your memory so when you come say, Kair. Nyako. A ho, who couldn't, who be the fun or parking lots, who be the best shanny camu, a funnel, who be down no. Be down. Who be down. Yen shedio. Ye musa santefo se edinti kremoni wu ahunko hu ya de na to kofu ntwane hu hia no munsu ba santefo di obi wa ye de no to busa wo se dinti na ma omo ye saade no omo de kire wo wa wieye se ya mo wa hu wa wieye ni etam ni kosie na wo mu se di wiase asetena no eni nipa wieye sitie eni ntene wo mpanimfo ne ye se dabi sa ye nkoyi nipa no mra ye mehehye ne mfanto ne ye nchiri nipa da sani na wieye enti wo hoho ne ho no ye nchire no se de na wieye besi beye nso ne se te efre nipa ni ma wo koto ade wo so wo hwe na wo di to ne ho fo na wo di hia de no ne de ada ne nsaboro ene mape ni nsem hunu eni atopabuo. Ay. The Bible no Proverbs chapter 10 verse 27. Proverbs chapter 10 verse number 27. Yes, I go. Was it already so to a naso? Na oboniefo emfie die obetwa so nipa usura urade enam so usura urade nti ye to ne naso na ode boyefo ni mfie obedi no asase so die ye twa so nti na wona mabete go ntu so 20 years team 15 years team 16 years team 12 years team already so because na akola wo 13 years no okoje sakawa akola wo 12 years no ohwehwe duru ati akwan akola wo 15 years no ohwehwe mala makoje for years abaya wo 13 years no ojina plaza no charge ntinche no famba ay. Wabra nima bibia ye pewa dintia woni abre a wo se ma akwa na koje sakawa dintia woni abre a wo se wo ho ofe ye ma akwa na ko gina plaza hotel na charge dintia woni abre a wo te Holland a wo buro dwaman se wo be ni wiase japade no me baba be kire wo se wiase japade na wo pe no se wo kɔ na obetuma yi bi cargo dia kwa me baba be kire wo bi o Bible no kɔ Ecclesiastes mobo. Me fa ma no kan kire. O si adagyamu ene ye bae adagyamu ne ye besa akọ. Yamfa hwe a mawiase ne yetumi so mfa hwe mfiri mu nkọ. Yeba no we came naked. Nti ye ba asase so ne ye bebre pa wiase majapade bia bi e de emni bre eja awurade ho epe bibia bia ye kwa emu pani ekura ye de hye yensem kuru bi frato ye ntumi mfa nkọ. Timi hu obi no so obi di bone enya ne ho wa bra wontumi mfa mu ba kokora nkọ no wowu wa bra yensie ne se Kristo ni a wo poba eso beba mfaso ache no na ne ho ye mmobo. So what you see? Ye yeniema bebre ebi di atro ebi bo apo wo kuno what ya bruchire no kwa bamu no koja aware just to get benefit. Who are you fooling? Ni nyina ne so obenya sika no de awie ni fie. Nti woni ne kunu ato mo bo ase aya no baako abrofo ni ye ntwa wo ntro yenko pepesim yenko koja aware ne yemfa yenkrata anware ware ne yemfa nyi sika na aban mehwe me ma no mato me pa lies and abuchi for the tia nti ye yekotrobodwe he di woso ye Kristo ni pa akrampo no ukoto ne baabi na hwe ne me de anu me hade o wo hwe ne ye ne niam bi o ya atomu se ukra wo ntia so atia se utumu se ukra ese wo ntia na o fere bibi wo no mo anehwibom ye omo ye no the same thing ye keka ye nimanya me sompa but mu hoden a ye di girem agire awurade agire mu no ya po ye wa sori ye ne ye nko ye ko bedwam nko obi yi ase ye ne ye nko ye ko party ase ye ne ye nko ye wa asafo mu a ye ne ye nko. We cannot be stable. Ye two face. And this will be an angel say, obey ye the Christo so many years or no so about the bay, and you will need more pursuit, shall I say. Nipa unim we are. No nim chawa mecha. No nim so was a kai so wonna, won't quam from a kai. Kai wonipa was a kai so won't I am from a uchem. But we don't know. We don't see it. Chuma ni picture every day. Boniso kwa and increasing. Obia penuenya. Obia penuenya. Obia pese. Wunyano who say damn. But one thing, penny. Abucha utia ubo jobs. 4 jobs and 3 jobs are near Brea. Nina and so man should be a wakukuno. You don't know, say, A be a cargo near Cottada with you. One them who flew near clay. And so I need to wait there. What's the catch of one for the wound will be war? So when your name fin a come bonnet, it wouldn't be war. You jail radical. Abuchifo is so good. How I won't see keka money. Oh, me say, me do yes near kai tribute. Oh, nipas me see. I want to what the Ghana community. And I'm not so sorry, Abaha. Not sorry, when they say a sorry, no, be a what tea sorry. You go in someone yes, be a what tea sorry. Obia wa nam no soma asafo aba na Ghana for ba akua won tembrofo what ma kwa asori bi no ye pull labation e won dey yes you see you liars o come say anti na koka ni me fa ho what's si wo bone for ni se wu no obi wu se man kan tire wa menue because you say we to from the team onyame be busa mo je free me ho asofo abokrane they were sitting there obi a wate asori wo nam no so me ye di asori asi wo amo asofo mu wo mu nti kana nkomo kutu be yi mu nyae imunsa papa na te asori mo amuso mo kan mo me ate ase ne Bible won fa ni agro walking kan ne Bible won ne Bible ne da na obi o tie sori na won ne Bible ne da eye den yigu nsa ihie sa hyenyam ne bufu won yes pastor se mu pastor wa so dem mo so mo bobo credit card wo mo ntumi nyine mo ma awurade yen shame sofo so mi hu so wo gu nsa eye mabufu mi hu so wo masori so mo bebo mpaye am MC no ntumi kura nka ne kese ye begu nsa me ti word na na wum koso di ntia wo mo kusi kura ne yi man ko ne se so mo begugu wo mo nsa no mbe wo bibia atam no mbe ye no yi na se de se no no yin se hoso ebe wo hobi nda fum mi bia bontine nsuo yi agem wa me nemu se ya kotena me ken koso me tena wo pe na chese me foa so what mo ready ade a kire ye se papai ntia ni ade na mugu nsa munsa mo keka woni manya me sompa na so mo boa mo keka bi se de be ya mo benya church goers no to come and support you but you are liars nsema mo kanyina eya nhwehwe ani mo boa I wonder abuchiri for so for mo de mo Bible ni ye different ana mo Bible no different mo Bible na makwai ma ni be twa ma no de okay because we are in America misi me baso nyame ya domoten me baso no ma kire wo de obi yehwiesa de ye nyame ene no me de basa nkofo ne so ene wo masefo nti nesta ukoto so bi gu sa wo be wo mpaboa so motu no wotu ri kase gri no wo fi ho hey ni panche na wedi emia ni pancho no di emia tutu ha no you wise boni bia wotimu no dachi ubekwa kubu ho akonta your Bible no cause some 90 verse 12 some 90 verse 12 ose mami hunu ose maye hunu ye na aka se de etie na yanya nyansa akoma ki obi akesori ya ibebu nkotoje erade mami hu me na aka se de etie na menya nyansa akoma se menya nyansa akoma me nkoto bonim nyansa be control me every bonim nyansa be tutu manam wasisi yie e ma me nko bonim nyansa be kire me kwan nyansa be kire me sai e ma me ntra fewdi fortena bia wo mo hu di urade ho fawo e ma me ntra ho nyansa be kire me se bi nyansa koma ade o nyami kire me kire de o time me time de wo mpe me pe de o mpe no me mpe but de o pe de me pe enam se mi nyansa koma ntino me kotoa se bi ti bia na me di akiri basi ko yin ko to jadi ko bu se rade ma me hu me na aka na me nyansa koma nko de nyansa koma be dom ye ki hu bone ki bi dwane bone because it's work atua ho ni pensure urade biem ye boshiti onyame enu masem ye de ni patete sem ye adwuma but onyame enu masem de we bullshit it ye kekai ni manyame sompa it's like a fashion me kai mire bi atwam ayi material bi e ba so adwoa yanki wo hia unia wo be hia no ne hye no adwoa yanki Christosom abrochire adane adwoa yanki wo hia na wo hia unia but typical Christianity e bi ntini mu including pastors Saka so dem ho ye teach sa teaching sibia and church nipa di unyame pen di unyame mpa nka they won't even dare invite us to their funerals doing that. But we refuse to tell. We will refuse to talk about it. Nti ye say ya no pi opi ye ho ma mo maku wo mo di wo nya damasefo. What's this catch body for the wound will be wo? Why don't you tell them so whatever they were doing they were going to die? Mun samo no wo mo muta wo muntia. Sa stop for mo wakreka. Sa mo do sankofo na nka mo dia yam hyehye wo ene wo mbekasa. But you didn't. Ni nyina ne se me hu mu bisa ya na me hu se mu nyina yie ntia. So what you say? Ebi be dia me bia da kom de ni nyina emmoye sa bi sa adwene ni bi na wo mutim. Koso wutimu se wankasa wo ya waga de be me say asofofo bi ye waga drink no mu he ebi azan fofo yi they were so good at it. To be that kan no correct no. Ebi no waga drink entropa obetumo chro check na bounce. They lie like nobody's business. I didn't know how oboa. That's what they do. Me too me jeja me ho anka bebre ko mo de my hana mama mo se. Ko ma bo me selua. Bebre wo man no kwa. Roba no ne yaye ne de ahye ne kom keke. Ushia na no ma ne respect. Nti da Yesu beba wo say nipa ne bi be kwa ka say awurade yamfa odi anshanko yamfa odi ntu ahohomboni wo si firi mi so ko minimo da wa wanye de etene sa sofufu gu abuchi gine awurade gine mu a ka nipa bebrebe nyankwa ma omokra but bebrebe dru abuchi si ka di wo monim when they see sin they cannot even recognize it. Nan kampeso waka ho asem ntu ko kana ntimi metiwe mi sura soft watching nipa bia omu ye mi hu omu ye mi omu ye danger mi ko at the same say YouTube also mi cruise bi asinkonya adeya evangelist ewu na prophet fo ni wu a na omu ka ho asem. Na evangelist ne kum. They were so happy. Me person me mama say. So called fake pastors, fake prophets. I'm teaching one na mo skinny jeans say Bon Jovi no. Me person mo tia say onyankopon say wo yi obi firi ho a ode de ni me so onyame be yi wo babesia. This end time e wo Ghana. No one dia slap mo. I'm telling you. Ha am for teaching you one mapo. We are all back there. We are doing warm up. Onyame be yi mu bia pie nya kom. Na me se de mu yi nti onyame be yi de no mo so den. You will be shocked. Me say one you be you babesia. The woman no, they're not shaky grounds. I'm telling you. So for mo akuka you know, ye so na when say so for what it feature me boa. But look at the man. Ne ne den say ade bi no e wo nyankopon asemu. Me boa. Nti evangelist oduru kwa ekira sasa. Obi tie kire ye wo map. Onyame say be papu obi up. And say you guys lie. You're joking. When you nipa wo kire ye wo map. Ah onyame nyanyi wo mpie. Do you know how good some of the evangelists are? Wo mo tete kire onyame nyanyi wo ma bonte yo. And you're sitting there thinking it's fun. Ni nyina ne say sunsun mu kodie wu kusua. Any they say money oil. Any ni mo follow big boy ni ma follow mo tonton no. Ye ka ho asem nti we become your enemies. Watch out. Mine demuye. Mine said that's of we be wo be fira fita. No ma any da no mo fa mo nsem mu ti na mo nsu. Because wo nyame be yi the stubborn one. Our chain no onyame de bi o ye adwuma ko nanim. Next person obeba no wo be ye great. Na ni be ye den a che de mo tete this time. So what you say? What you win, we had no chairman if any was and a mob bragging. So for what we are moon facing. This end time, no Yamin say, ni money be a stubborn until we stubborn preachers. Omo when ye day, what one also to say silly, or can't show. Tis a movie say, Obi wuna sa, and you may catch it. When you may prepare a moment when ye day, I say the okon, not the number, because when you may be or ye, you may call him. Now, my sister Monjia, next person when you may be you about Messia, Mobile Mobose. No, dear Jimu Gufon. No, monsieur, no more conference. So, what you say? A your more day. One of you need baby oko because men who papa and so on soon could you who she had. Men who be that. Men who is so on follow me, boy, men who be that. No one yard, daddy. Tina just a sofa who am I and who party is ye. More bo. Netamu so the answer. Nessa susua, when you may be greater. Something a meal. So from a cocoy and I'm fisa, and I'm a boy. No fisa, no. Shankanya say. Take a look. Just one person. More must more dorsal. But Shankanya see. Shame on you. Zafo. Afena mo ho ba yira mo be ye mo bose. Afena unyame di ye nchele preachers. Omo woni e den e wadwuma ni mu. Wo mo mama so e den. Woni se nyame ye obi sa. Nyame ye obi sa meka quotation na meka kire. O so wo mo ni e den nti me so mema wo mama so ye den. Ache wo mo nti wo nyame wo so woni e den wo mo obi a na mama so ye den che wo na o de na bo awuram sa na ya nete. Evangelist will do to take care of preaching radio so. Money and Jimosin Kunya. That's all for who will be with your mobile trip private jet to William. Nam pum mobile convoy. Meboa, mobile too big party. Nani move and Kadano come from Muti. Mobile mobo. Because when you may be dear, they say, sir. When you are so to be fun, Shaman, no, when you may not 7 and Casa and Shaman 3 days will be. Why the bit to me a coon? You lie. I was watching them and I was laughing, thinking, what's wrong? What if we move from our benches? You cannot compare them to this evangelists, the generous that God gave it to us at this end time. You can't compare them to them. What to be for? No, there's huge difference. Want to be for compare, ye mate for ye. Get your room, my for ye. Azafo, a muda de nipa. Fanko for ma, Chimus, you the enemy fool. Kunko for, see a pimp for, no more see a sorry days you want so. You must fluency. Nipa bi di woman. They are not pastors. Woman ya di for. Cha. Unyami when you di for be said. Unyami or respecting yourself. One for German for so many di for that. One for am robber. Wouldn't so you di for that. Unyami when yes. He always choose genuine people. Yenimre. Nti to be wise. And therefore the jaw much dear. When we are za. Minimum be on sebe guna sane nso wu. Obi en sebe bo bona sane nso wu. Zafo. musi wona we ya news chese mu ni dwuma bi di e chese ya mode me se mu fa mu nsam muti onyame sa be yi stubborn like che na mu kura musi mo dwuma nkoso mu onyame adwuma me to ye ja wo soro kura na minim ka onyame se wo yi no de na sama hye na wano wo be bon sama ma Tiam se so for we moto na funda kesi wo. Mo hye ne cake ne party esi wo. Se mo twan se wo mo baye mo bose. Mo onwie na dwuma so wo mfira asase so. Na onye fi aso se wo onyame be yi bigger than him. De na pie. Sana onyame ye na dwuma. Na kamu gina onyame ye gina mu a. Kamu ne sampakafo be nya asem. Se mu gina onyame ye gina mu aye di ewurade pa nka ebeye enka beba ni sei hiti say oh yes, I saw them talking about it. Omo check TV esi o no ma fam men bi omo pebre nim se di CD yensa dui eye adwuma no mai omo yeso mbebo ni papo no mo di apa omo ho anya no mo sisi wo no mo ma ho comments no mo kansa makese eye omo de wa bra wi asefo krati mi kase bebi obi na mo de mo tie ye mo tese wo se mo adwuma which is mo dwuma na wo se ne ye boni na ewu mu na wo se boni o so fo odifo te me kase yi utoma na me fanye susu nie mama utoma igu wa mo ase na sa dwuma we si yansan no nipa nkwohye odifo te me fa waya was we is follow me boy we ya ben funku so mu ko de wu kusia bo hu adaja 12 o'clock ne bodua bo wu busiefo dua tumu ye difo mi hum samo ye hwibaro mu ya zafo tie ye mode wu ko twa sister no wote basim wote wonka wo bankran na papa no ko sip no plan no no sister baby a wo ko ne ke be ya san wo mu ko za oni aju sika e ya za onyame sise muti ye mu bof nti wo wu mu ye party people don't know what they don't know muni mo wie ya ka mo nsa gumuti se di tie bia obi ni wo be kire bo se the righteous person enchilbo the same as the boy for so enchilbo na me de me no waka me sakra madwen because you gine wrade gine mu kura ye be fa no ko na wa we azan di u gine wrade gine mu kura ye be fa no ko ono ye nyame ankasa wo de wo be kine bo misre wrade so hu omomobo misre wrade so hu gu o masore ne ntam ne nipa wu kwabra ne timi tena se wo se fa anda wani u brazia na djuma we ye sai no ye bone ayi fa na Isaiah no obedi anu bejeje nkofo brazia ene se be brazia sa wo mu pieto wo mako wo mu pilo dagum so wo mu fa yesusum niema this year say juma we aboni ye nane say evangelist jina ho e cassette here sa act we ya ni boni ya waye ne nti wo wu na moni age nane say kwabrani o timi jina ho asore dem obi yiri pieto we as a folk better so see you Peter was what done jeje ntwie musoma mo de monsa sei na mo de som Ade time wo wiase bi ni ho chensa. No watumi invite say yem fam me go sor dem. Hia dem ho. Say ho ye wo kronkron bia ho. Ni yensesa nkugu baby ni ntwegya ntom nhye. Na no na be ma ha wada nipa no so afiri no so. Samode moni atofom na kamufolo omo musa omo do omo panties no mu breeze akoye ni musa na te ase. Ya mu nhwe niam bi. Nti say evangelist gina ho no wo say adwuma we kasete ya ne boni na wa ye ne say. Nti moni agi se wo no ene say. Follow me boy, mami bi ato no bo ase ni kunu aware mfie bebrebe. Na wo de one day so wo mra magi follow me boy. Oye no mfa nkosra na na mami na wo ni kunu atena abo bra no onyi na nim firi ni yire so na wo me follow ababa awa no na onya na yire chi. Da Yesu be pie wo wiem anwanwa sembe sisi ada benkese no bebom anwanwa sembe sisi owia be drusum nsuma tutu afisu agufom asasi be wo so dede ai na wana wo Kristo mu no obehia genkwa no wo wiem anwanwa sem ebe sisi Juro ho mentiase o ma pa omo wanya Satan me busa o se mo colleagues ni bi wu na mo kwayi a ya mo nkɔhwɛ adam na mu si esisa manshi ni bi ma ne de koya di dia mo che ni pa be mo che ni pa dom edi mo chi ko mo koje mu no me busa mo ni ma mo nya ni nyina me busa mo se wo betimi de bi akwa na ne Kristo suma ya normal. So what you say? Kan wo hie obi obokran ka wo yesofo a ka tumu se wo ye kunkun nipa nsu sese emu 80% ya zan apo eni ayire fasam nkofo yire no mprachi rough ne koso ti so obi ma no ho kwan no nyame so de ne be adwuma no so be kasete o se ay ya fari ade so te won ma no wo hye ni wi no no twetwa ne nsa ne bi ne ni so ye krakaka no betena se a no so afa pen ne pepa no wo ye number 6 wo de number we kan ho so we ni number 6 so atiase nti da wo di we na ye say 28 won hentu eni no masese no de ka ho ka bomba eno so ye no wono so de ni jimi sa no ne nkofo bi tire wu no mudi akire ni ejanya me wo obeto se mania no to preach no they hate it o se brani be kwa wi ya ye be dada nipa bebre ye be dada won because we say e brani be kwa wi ye nipa be do ni gidi ase wonyankopon asem nipa so imu be ye ne de obeto se kanya me so se la odi atem so what you see to untie to no na sori dem be preach am nipa agina ban ho so no de enen you know this year is our year we have to break through we have to have everything because we are the children of God we have to build our houses sister I'm telling you this year you will buy a house sister I'm telling you this year you will buy Range Rover I tell you you are blessed I can see it I can see the promotion I can see the job I can see your marriage I can see your children I can see your wedding and sister hey me who say wedding about papers newspapers sister when you me be your kese what here who be wani sikani pa nonsense sister nso eda ni na ye for de wo so wo pa wari nti wani abria wo so wo ni musa potra sabi mpredua san ni hunsuo ya san wonu ni wo da ni na ye for Ye catch any pom body ni so when you be shroud. Obey your cassia. Ntinafe, or who says anybody or Tim in a crab at the dawn. Until 1 year so be sacra. She shall watch in Kwana will crab at me, oh. She shall watch in Kwana will crab at me. Only a power did ya mean, now will cry so come dino. She shall watch in Kwana will crab at me. Missy only a power did ya me, now will cry so come dino. She shall watch in Kwana will crab at me. She shall watch in Kwana will crab at me, oh. She shall watch in Kwana will crab at me. Only a power did ya me, and yes, see a dying. What be your companies? Who can I come down and to win your oh, yeah, so minimize it for our voice to not go nowhere. But I may catch no cakranet 10 feet, £1. Unyaminam so ye juma. Unyaminam so or the year juma. Ye dream dear baby when you pabimu, maybe 50. And now so for be na connection wa bruchiri. Friend sister ni free Ghana ba. Ye be tena ni nipa one ne be ye enkrata se mu connection. Asofufu bi o maduma no no. Titi wonya gina ni property na ti a. Tumi ye de kasa kire nipa ma wo sakra no na ate afiri ho. Nti wona na mo kana. Wo to tie ne de wo kan konkom. Ti wo sa no hia na ombofu. Me mfa ho. Wo pa wo hia me a tia me wo mpa twa me mfa. Wodia kukoduro kan nipa boni ni manko sakrai tight no offering nti musia bruchefo nko nti me no wan na do wo hwe nipa gu na se a nsakraye ntimi ma ho me no wan na do wo. You love your paycheck, you love your ntutusu to ne offering de ma wodie no da nipa na kra wo nko wo nshira nkanya mesa abramete a me nyi obi kobo nti empare me se me nka bibi nchiro he na wo de ma me kura meka me kura mu se pa na me ka chiro cause nipa bi mpene kore. They hate the truth, they embrace lies. We are near frem oni triase we no ya bosonsomfo omu hwie sa hyenya me abufu didi awrade atom omu wi na masa frem mo mebom mpa ye ne ye de munyame ni anim atwitwi fom ni ya supervise munyankopon na mo tiase na mo ni age. Why na wo awrade afa me pese mi uno me dia me wona afa. Mrasem Dubai obaye no mu di nsem hu mo se kwaji mrasem ni Dubai no obaye no mu di nsem hu wodo no se wan na wawrade afa wo wawrade afa bigina ene bi busa wan na wo wawrade afa mi pese mi uno mi die mi wona afa Abramo jadi mi mo frusani katamada bojiemwe mi wona afa. Me se abruchefo why na wo awrade afa me pese mi uno me die mi wona afa abrucheso afo asofo why na wo awrade afa me pese mi uno me die mi wona afa Abramo jadi mi mo frusani katamana bojabwe mi wona afa me se Abramo jadi mi mo frusani katamana bojabwe Abramo wona afa why na wo awrade afa abrochefo na wo awrade afa why na wo awrade afa mumu why mumu why na wo awrade afa na motena se am ye tietie nyankopon anim ya de nkwa motena se me ye nyem funu bi ade tia no force on her. Sister do Brian, I am force. Such in Chan could see us on them, and yet champion, so you Christo knew a brown, and your force. Hey, a brand new thing may be a cinnamon to near me bubu fire. In the year you better near me be a second to 2 foot room with you. Oh, boy. You lie. Mr. Dame, quite a bit, a bit whom you know, Muku Chiaso, if you swear near J. Now make me bomb pie be okay. Na manifeste na me kunu on tiase na me se bra here compare me boy one time one time na dia na happy na one still I want tiase na want ti me no take abu me bomb pie kire dia na no fi se media gro and I applaud my husband me Bobby some na me to chairman we went to that place my husband didn't even sit on the chair my husband did not even sit. Ujina who say yeah for some 2 to 3 hours. He didn't even sit. Baby and saw me kunani and china one bypassing umpo. And I didn't say anything to him. I did not say, oh no, Miss No baby, I call me Pachopa. Who could do so many and so don't go there. I didn't say a word. He didn't even sit on the chair. He stunned the whole time. Me pie fansium kotena kem. I test my husband, order me take him. Tam bia we 3 bia o se ma me wie. To ka me brani mu ha na be pick me yenko. People don't know what they don't know. I pray me say Rade. Certain people be me person fra o money. Me jina ni pa na nchepa was me do bia se me hu. Wo be de wo hu me. Me jina woni mpaso woni efra. You won't see me. Me krusi asem we de be te se nipa be de adi o. Tu so wan was de bi o. Me se bra wo refi se me kono me bob pai wo refi ana. My husband ampa ne to ensi akonya so. He was standing. And yes no wonya baby he was on his feet. Baby krusu do ko wa mane ho. An kamene ho ko pi ko tena kem ka sense wodo. Ko be ka se mame. Sa wo do po me mpo yo. Ka je se me bu akonya no kam na me dam. When you talk, they say, oh, I don't know, Casasa, Mishu Crefijim. Judu Nekai was in Nippon Buha, I will see Shu Crefijim. Mishia Chicago, Hinny. Ace of my minute to say, I'm not sure to say why you're software. Mr. Nana, so you're software, Yamini seeing it. Nana wouldn't move in Yamini seeing. Yamini see, best sue him. Nimo. Se dia koso nyina mote. Me de me da wuboni o. Na dia ba ko ne se da wuboni bia yemu no. Obi ni wa wakokura se akoto da wuboni ayebu ne da. Wo be hia no otumi bura na nkonkola di ne ho agoro. Ba wonya fada mu se wom intellectuals e be gina wotie because asema wode ba no. Asama da wuboni didi ba no wo matena se adwene ho se da bi o enye na se eyo hinkase bi na asoma no. Yes, da wuboni bi di wa yebu no. No, emu no wuhia na mfa me se wonya kofiri nsakora no wudua na wokoto se de ba woman no de wode ye da wuboni no obeye mobose. Da wuboni mashia na yidi ne ho fa okeke me kunu ne te sai nso wo chichire no bodiem kro wo mpe no. Ya fa na wo na ne yɛ nyam ne yɛ boy nsɛm di n'akyi yɛm fa ne nyɛ bɔgɛ ne yɛde na yɛ soan ba ma wo hene ne mpanimfo ntena se ne yɛnsi nkonnwa nkasɛ momfrɛ no ma yɛ ne mpanimfo mfa adwene wie ne yɛmfrɛ da wobɔni sɛ wɔnkɔ kurom hɔ kɔpɛ ase woso fitikotia fa kudura na afo bɔ dawuro ka kyerɛ wɔ man no sɛ no wɔn ma ne dawuro so na hwɛ intellectuals wo mugu pia ase ne kontase so wɔn mo nsɔre mmegyina ho metie ɔhene kɔso wɔn mo sɛ nye dawu bɔ ne enum asɛm o wɔn de ne enum asɛm nkari nkum ntatiaba kɔhwe ne yɛ ɔsɔre ano wabui ba wɔnyanya ba ma dawuro no so sɛ wom no wɔn mo sɛ wɔ henkɛseɛ bi enum asɛm na ɔde ba dawuro na nie mentwerɛ bible te menyanya ma so sɛ wom a nipa bi a wɔyɛ nyansani a wɔpɛ nkwa ama ne kra no sɛ mamya no to na wo mumi a dawuro yɛ mafa me bom nti ɔhenkɛseɛ na wasoma me nti you have to calm yourself down and listen. Yes. Who de wo yɛ bɛma pa de wo bɔ ne wo mu no ba wo bɛbɔ dawuro no na wantie asɛm a wɔhene kan ya wo bɛhu sɛ wo ne wɔhene de kuro ne yɛ ne dia no yɛ bɛhwɛ ti memi se me yeda woboni me obi amfa me memi se me so nim faso ba me nyam fa da wuri na me bokon usukura usa umi mumi anu de metiase ba me nya fa wo hinkase ne no mosema don't play jokes so what you say don't yet when you mean no your phone, you tear when you mean some so. Also, don't me a so. If you love me, obey my commands. I did we me but a non and nipa de ye at the one who shall a deal before. And now Papa was sitting watching Prana account. Eh, most Friday. Sitting the neighbor Jim Bro. And now Colena 18 years old to meet him, and that's how Baker when you. Mammy Panino said she didn't know she could do. And then it's a sembina mystery. Me and I'm saying, minimum your bra. I will never condone that. The Radimpe, me shan could do that. Minimum she was the only son a man for fee say a tear, and I'm saying minimum she. Minimum she. Me is zero a woman. But one man a woman who say minimum she. Do you know me time? Me type so I can't judge drama moi. Me share drama mukutupa. So I can't die chrono when the partner send me found say you mapa. No when you be a madi here. I don't condone that. So being good bonnet. So what you say? Brutal for me, Busam. Say yes, but now, Mukristo soon, or be value the same. So what you move for the one, move shake, and I'm over pass it through. A son will be a cobina who could be a nurse when you're and then you would hear one other watching one who would depend in the way young corner man and seguridity. So, dear, what did thou obey? And it will be war, or dear see you so sign a man. So, no, papa. So, sign a man. So, no, didn't you mark a see me, Nubi, what do you hint out? So, what do you say? What do you see? To be wise. Who could to see will be the formula? Tennessee, now Jenny. Will be the tone you must say. Who could to say we uncle Kamua? Ah, and now when in Famano, we uncle Dano that. So what you say? And you mean to come at what? Maybe you'll be uno. A honey a year brabum communal labor. Near Jenny. Papa no me tell you, it's not Jenny. I'm say, hey, ready. I'm a funny go. Say, ye, near Silipua, Nipa will say, ye can't send paka. But be an only, till ready so me. She shall be more, so Bonibi will be more. A ready thing to Masio, no man yera. No man met see will say, now at the end of the day, will see me so. And no dear maybe to me. A rather boy make customer could draw, and ye day I will bless ya. No mean to me, find you know, Jim could pen say, who be my first as he saw. Men bench any penny more, and the fed the maiden tea, Yamin Tadia, a brutina, I only shame you will be dear. So what you see? Be a so come receives. Adea, evangelist be almost say a juma. Oh, a juma be said. Now, and you be a open or the 7th book of Moses and the Bible. And now the all to full book, and now lodge the end of the Bible. I would the best say what juma. I am yasini pebidi crusuachi. Mamma Yan is a song, oh, Nipas Messia Wunti. Wouldn't Nipa do teach you warm up? Hey, you know, when you mean in you. A month for your warm up. That will be you be in your common sour. Share. Easy. Miss Red this one winning round so. And then you're the another channel. The way be wise. We Christo near Sumeradi. And you who could trouble the Christian was sick of trouble the Mefua from a noon. And I won't see the woman the boy for near to the nefo. Be wise. And you who necessarily Christo knew what I won't come. Don't compromise. And shake the penny more. Then you bonnet. Don't follow the multitude. We are so far to one who create him. Me did rough. I will be in trouble. And pardon me, so me pike it your woman. Na can be a man, me seat. And pardon me. Me book an I will reserve my seat. Yes. Me near Bressa Crodom. Me nada. In Pesico. You see, can't and the second by now come. Watching Saturday coming to next flight here call Australia. Because your programs, because I mean, no suffer for years because me who's a guest in India and ye come on. We have no number, we have no number, we have so a top private jet, we have Baba Obi, we have so Indian news. Me who's a lady be, African lady be, or sorry come or the no could you live, you know. That is your work on yet. What to the was yet to private jet? That is your number yet. Omukare kanti kambobi anti kam fatami. Me se kawana bibi kado. Me se kamme mo bose. Me fra me ho prophetess anti ko mo nyimi ni. Me bo me ni prepare me chantro gutiri so. Ti ko mo nyimi ni. Na ka me kurukura be me manager. But Abra was lend the horn ayi necessary. Abra when kwande hodi wo fi hono ma ho say no wo be wo so to me do 20,000 pounds oba onso muska wonna say yi say wo be kwa yi o ka me kunu be rete ko nya adwuma bi me nada ke menya azafo ni bi so ma ma so masene me ti wana me ye marriage program me na mu no mu ntwa me take it in high hotel e ma me nkonko tena nya program zama enne me sha se kan sempa ka nya no wo munya obi ayi me fly in some ways na wose ko omugine wo radio so nya no wo nyina yi me fly ni nyina nsa sameba no ano ode nipa na wo beji me ni radio so waja ne here me susu na me ko cancer mpai nti e ba da no me metimi ni na yaduma pam no be pam me no ni chaplain ticket man ha ma me no to ya your hotel. Yes, you will be there. Uba ni a chro check bem near the amount. Yet me ya do Uba newspapers in beauty of the year. So what you see? Nso Mr. Beck wuti Chicago. Da be na de mami anto to aba e de say newspapers. So the way my colleague, mami mo abi simiti mami mo din council. Nso newspapers ni na sante hene. Oni Mr. Beck. And then you would yo. Now do chana wa. Unipa da semi. Unim da will be wise. Be very wise. So what do you see where you are? They will pamper you and you will die. You see you. So what say the Bible na kai. O se si nipa wu ni ensie ne se Kristo ni a opoba eso won fa so sen. So what you see? Be wise. Bia nipa wu se sisi kakra ya kai nim before 2020 no. Che se enye komo. So what you say? One spell bia anytime obia betima film. Ntinka tutu anamu ye na ka yensi wo se Kristo ni. Eno na ye. Eno na ye. So what you say? But we don't like that. Boni be na mo tete so abrochira. Munye. Mo hodo a check. Boni a mo tete so no munye. Obaya mami no papa to boase awo asisi wa ye kama anke beba besere wa wade na hyew papa no mami ni munyam wato boase ne be matena wo mienu onye wo ho ade wo ho jo etimi sa sori Sunday ekọ asori kugina pocket ni mtonyam. Who are you fooling? Ni nyina nsa oti abrochi to boas ya brochinti what to boas ye ja wukum ehwebra di mu odin wo sori ya Sunday wo fere ya di mu ade wo sakogina awrade gina mu na wo tonyum eyi awrade ayi. So what you say? E mami no twane se wo kasa ansem bi se ya onyankopon de oba de boyefo bo na de obeya e de say ye koto ne dwamamo so payi ena nya awrade kan se wo a wonya bone da to bo oba no wie wante asem okan wante on Yesu hu se so dan ne to oba na bo ne kuna onyanko ono so oba so obema ye nyanko ne nya no so nti wo so spell leading in life no man second chance wie di asem no kai wo se ko menkoye boni bim na de chi sei ama so which the chi sei no ene bonsam gem the Abraham Moshe ka kire mo sei ni wo no de wo kire mo sei no second coming of Christ no eno o se ko no wankoye boni bim na de chi sei ni se da wo be sane na ni munyam a wo tutu na ni di jaframa hye ho e di na ne katamai enkrante e bia ne kokoso e twanyinam no mercy that day. So what you say? And to that woman, you want to warn your bonnet the on Casasa. See a butchime for play a drab butchery, Sumabusu. To make wait, Mutuma Sumabusu, Krum, and the Atua Bruni with the crew. And it will be a Mohamovi. What Tina Butchery pa and no, once or sopa. Nkoye ye ne cargo dese ye na kofi. So what you say? Cause wo sori tie awrade a obe sori etia. So what you say? Iwi ana ye de mana ya wo mo ha no ye de wo makotena wo yeso mo hwe se de be ya yiwu a wo mbeto aso. All this Christopher wom, pastors wom, deaconesses wom, church goers, they did there. Food to fried rice. Why they can't correct will be? It now no one cook. I'm not sure this is a meeting see you. Mr. Kobe up me and Manochia. So be ya mamma Mr. Cabba Bommy, make a correct on number bommy. Na me the phone woo. Be ya mammy. Cause men spare. Me two me tea in a say. Me play me and I'm seeing as well. Me busu as a mo, so with the old one you. Or say Abena. Miss One was a guest in Ubuduku, or say I'm a Missy Dintin Mubuduku, Anna Ifun. None no one could transfer them you also Mumuduku. I feel my voice a yako so. Yamin the demon, Combeana come a solemn gin and fifi on them preach you. Can I hear it down or say? Did some one be my jigaminum semi mintna? Muy disrespectful. What dear, move for you ready. Miss Woman Person, much I say, some man. Busa guess and no mammy say, what a abomination. So a woman wiggy, a cofunda ho. But a abomination, so two mutis who could never deal. Enemy too. Dear now, Tim, Bonnie away, watch your brother Munto to you know yourself. A dear now, who must say yes to be now, you will be in trouble. Repent. So what do you say? Repent before it's too late. Who didn't come to part will be a dear? Zacchaeus, you be. What's the same in come to part will be a dear? Missy home. In Contumpo, what the idea, dear, our country more calm. Calm for Coto baby. What the true could be more, be wise, and you know that will be waiting a Bramania Bri. A truck is here would dear. What would dear dance yes office now on Monday and turn to do now could dear. And they see it gay. Gay lesbianism in static set fire, and was Sodom and Gomorrah, and so Nenkrata Semunti, or beat me one in your bar, woman to woman, or could do and crat and you. Bible so say a true in age at any bonsam at all. Because of the corona gay and the lesbianism at Munti, when in Indiana could pretend this one way our for, no more their cogent crata. Who are you fooling? Ada ube kaun se bubua itiwa wonte a wadane se bo a woda ho no eda na ube hu da ube mane na Yesu be even depart da ube tie mo de be ko wonyimi o de dai Satan be revealing itself at shiro se me na me no nante ya nti besen na me nto obasako ma ube tie to o de be kwanti hu o de be kwanti hu ya mo ko hospitals ya mo hwade wo obi hu ube to de be kwanti hu o de be kwanti hu erade o de be ko to o de be kwanti hu o afeni ye bi so akere ni nipa wone ne nante to obeto na basako mu na o de na koto spiritual remind. Ya Alessabia, na ko he wo mu bi wu no ko he nsem bi ya no mu keka e ho no wo gine urade gine ma wo hu but so na nkonkon ne tena ye na nkonkon directing the steps e kire no what to do and what not to do nkan nyesa ka yi nwum no de bi fra sase so ka ho ne bi bi ne ni ama na hu nkonkon life no son in sadena ko kire Abraham kuku we so ni gun sa wona yase wo se wo da Abraham kuku ye kan che wona yase o Abraham kuku Abraham kuku mentase ni mfunu na yesi ki kwa yi ni pase e pene ma papa Abraham kuku mentase ni mfunu on tase dwama mofo ni akromfo eni ewudifo on tase atrofo azafo on tase akromfo one tase wo one tase nyinse yigufo one tase wo one tase ma wo gina ho no e challenge ewade chicha wo yem gu wo to e de silicon ko she show woman from your boat taxi. I can see it. Change your honey and the yam. On Cassinium food. A bear must be see you sick Christoni. Or saying yes, our pomba or pony payam may upon or send home for so soon. Nimam try. Until next shower brabum. You best you say Christoni, and I best you say we are sinning. Dear, the best you are you say, which one is it? Declare yourself if you are Christian, be wise. Wabran cremoni in cremofo. Hey, we bet me your bushimina, bako pet, or some may concremo. Manen ye muntu was so yeso. Never said Bushia Penny Binaku could drew a tune into my soul of farmer, or be frank cremofo say, or more dish and no so free bread to your bushim. So Christopher de debut, yen and I a foot to fry rice. Tia you look at walk on in which is which. So what you say? Young Qua Christopher, you buy a sea mamre. You don't say ya mammy and ya mamre. Ya bet come Christonio, they said, Yakoya Niama. What cremoni? You won't dare do that. Your friend of Quampuku. What soon cremo also see your friend is allergy said, your friend is said, do your friend of Kwame allergy. What of them say, Tim? I was seeing them be anyway, cremoni, and so be intimate touching the flu, I didn't cremo for. And so Christoni is because you don't declare your Christianity. Whom say we natural. So what you say? Who tears the clown to me and Cassano? Who flew never saw their Becassa? Ntinya asafunimu no message amra wo ye be hwima firi wo monsam no mu wi a wo mo atro wo mu date e de abresofo saji anetio na bra me meti wo no obi hey mun papa wo mani sokra yes ni bushi ni bi ni asem mi ye Kristo ni e Kristofo na wo sesie me. So what you say? You know, be any assem. Uni crop was Zion and wako juicy Coco juicy cow baby. When you mean we mumbo. Nipe u fre. Se monka yo. Se himself just how ya reda ho. Utri ye kura na wo ya da ho na wa sa bonka ye kakra. Se get him, wheat him. But the Nippon fence, you in consider Benny Bimudi ready, Baba, you need you, Boony, need your Safata Mamma. Never was celebrated. Mamma woman, Naka, and Minyan come to media soon. And consider by Nibe was a saying, ye decide, ye chum. Young quiet from you need any boo, a Safata Madi, or Betty, a creflin in some, or so was such a shibia to her, won't chamuda. What shuts ye at the atoho won't pass it. A bit too much to a baby, a bit me to a giant. A bit too much to a solid day. A bit too much to a human. A bit too much to a brow da. Till lady bit to know, or see a to me baby at Jimmy. Make all day, so what the bema miss so a meaning, Major. Ma sorry. So the beba minimo, e bia na makwantio mu no the beba minimo. Yahweh, eto me baby a Jimmy. So the how no ba me so a ma minin ku go wenanim. Ma wonim say, erode wo ka me wo baby bia. So the ne how no ba me so dia. Ma wabofo no metwitwa nyime. Yahweh, eto me baby a Jimmy. What the catcher ready said two baby, a bet two be with trim, or to trim quaduma, Tim. A bet two be and they say traffic light, stop sign. Are so green, oh, but pie. What is that? Sir, can you from. What the f? Afena nitia you say. Wo flat. A shena ye chama no na won sa ho. Aso ho a. Wo ko. Sanetio. Baby ya, you need baby you say how special. Just odru hansa no. Tina to wa. What to tell me or no more ye, what to tell me ye, no see you. And so ready, Debbie. Be a yasin ye called bull atupa, called Sasoluku, called Kansem Diacho, especially MCs. When we are 2 4 minutes, woman, Tiasi. MC for baby. 90% me say, will be so fucking kind, dear, so boah. It is a lie. Miss Sarah, this will be a mobile. Or so on power the boy for you, name more power than a gensaka. By a sheer ye chat to on one pattern, until all chain day. She shall a Jim now crab me. But even now, cream Jim. Yentina Yesu Christo Baby Wuye. Nti Jim ne benefit, and we knew where would be Wuyen. So what you say? When you couple do we say, and it was man the double crop, John 3:16, and where there will be ano, which is the current and Ibodium Crobe quotation back over to me, and John 3:16. And there will be ano, but we don't know how valuable that quotation is. Was the same when you couple do we are seeing our wouldn't the double or one chrono my said you be a what Jenny Dino, one year will be a down corner so 1 year didn't. One in any soa, surely you will perish. Because was it the one in Indian, yet they can't bunatain that. So one you will go put the back on any. Tia soon be a woman, say yes to Christo, now fun so I will forget it. It's ready soon, we mobile. And Pempens why you do in your fedia. And you may cost them to be out in any money you are. What's nothing now, General? Won't you see? So what I say, Miss Reddy, so we are mobile. Nayan Kaya before your man to bring, and some of the bonny, to me, and only a casano, the do. We don't have much time left. People are dying like nobody's business. People are dying like nobody's business. He found a bonena could draw. Jim Watty, they done it to Jesus Christ. Omunkuto, and a bit more sumu abraham prenu. Yes, I would shine. Now she what I'm on the drawer. No second chance. One some maybe more. No, I be team and me not to her. So what you say? One some maybe. If this will be true, maybe not count person team so baby near. So what you say? Because we are in faso. Me tia sia, me ti me ready. Me wuswa me wu me ready. You must send it to me kasasa. Today they are sorry kwada ne fashion. You don't know the power is in Christianity, and you're not looking for it, and you're just there because everybody is going, and you want to go it too. Be wise. Shishawa jenko au krabe me. Enne kakre bi se. Na me yadu mo china Yesu ama. Me no mo beto aso. Me bibi nsem bi so a kire mo. Ammo say yes. Onyame na yesom no ye nyame nyansafo. Utusa e wotene ne mu. Ubu atentene ne. Asam ne wie ye nyina ne say. So we ready Yankopon ne di ne mransem so. Asama me de bai e wie ye nyina no. E wie ye nyina no. Misere ready so hu momo. Na mo hu cha wa me cha wa asase so. Na wo ja wo pemu nyina de ama no. Na wo di ne mransem so. Na wa ye de wo pe na wotumi da wo be wu no ode ne nsa betu kom de wakɔkyerɛ Abraham kokum na wopie na ni munyam a wonya taban etu akwakohia no wie unyame wo hira sɛ me ba ye wotie me dedicate program ema evangelist Oduro ene ne busua ema busua ni nyina yakɔ mo wura ho bebiri na de bi ibehia mu bi unyame hira mo nyina na onye mo kese Jesus Christ me da wase so odi konim me da wase so fa me mu aka ensema etise Awurade yate ye de beye adwuma ye da wase so obituyefo na waka yenim enimunyam ne yeyi nkamfo ne ntontom ene ye de ma ewo Yesu Kristo Nazareth ne midi